How you can buy your Google Play gift cards. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can do this easily. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to go into your Safari or your Google Chrome that you are using, and here you have to open up the new tab, and here in the new tab you have to search for the buy Google Play gift card. And as you can see that there is the many websites that are selling the Google Play gift card, and you can select anyone from them. As you can see that here is the Amazon shop on Google Help, so you just have to select anyone from them and you have to click on it. So once you are in the Google Play gift code, here you have to email or get the text message. So once you are in, you just have to select any one of the design and you have to go in the delivery of the email or the text message, and you have to enter your email for the each recipient, and you just have to buy it. And this is how you can buy your Google Play gift card. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.